Get what you want with the power of the pyramid. Transamerican experts offer tailor-made insurance, investment, and retirement solutions to help you achieve anything you want.
I just want my son to get a haircut.
Almost anything. Transamerica, the power of the pyramid.
There he is.
Well, it's been a long day for Strahan.
The Sleeping Beauty.